Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage two GitHub accounts in VS Code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we can simply open our VS Code and we can start having our GitHub account. And to do so, we will be needing just to go to accounts. So this is my VS Code, and this is just a random project that I have. But what we are interested in is to go to accounts. So from here, we will be able to manage our all accounts or our all connections that are between VS Code and some other extensions or some other services. And from here, I already have GitLab and of course GitHub that is already enabled in VS Code. And if we go here, we will find my GitLab, and what we are interested in is the GitHub. So now we will need just to click on Manage Trusted Extensions. So I'm just going to click on Manage Trusted Extensions, and from here it will show us GitHub. So I'm just going to click on this gear icon, and basically from here we will find our accounts. And to have multiple accounts, you will be needing just to authenticate or to log in into your accounts. So I'm just going to click on use a new account, and from here it will take you to GitHub. And I'm just going to click on use a different account, and from here we'll be needing to log in and sign in to your different accounts. And by clicking on sign in, you will have your accounts that will be added. And as you can see, already GitHub authentication is waiting for us to sign in here so we can add our account. And when you finish the process of signing, you will be able to start using GitHub between your both accounts. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.